I am really a person who wants to honor those who, like, tayo naman sa mundo natin, it's a matter of there's always a time for everything. There was a time when you were nobody, and there was, kinsa naman na giingon ni Alvin. There was a time for being a nobody. There was a time when you became somebody. There is a time that you are going to become everything that a person thinks of, believe or whatnot. So maybe it is your time right now. It is your time right now to say, to show, to become the person na you supported the very person who created kung sino ka ngayon. Yun lang naman ang ano ko. Alam mo nyo, it is very Filipino to honor and give respect. Yun lang talaga. Wala naman kaming... That's why I feel very hurt na ang ginagawa doon kay Senator Robin is ganyan. To be honest lang. So, di pa ko kauli watching here in Finland. Come here. An ordinary Filipino magani really exert all of their energy, resources, or whatnot, just for them to be one with other Filipinos, to show to the whole world that this is history in the making. This is history in front of the very international community, various international community looking at us, sort of laughing at us right now for what seemed to be... Guys, ganito na lang example guys ha. Dating executive spokesperson pala. Dating spokesperson ni Tatay Digong na ni Attorney Harry Roque. Ang nangyari sa kanya because what he did was show loyalty to the Dutertes. Ano nangyari sa kanya? May kaso na siya na non-bailable. Ngayon ipapakansela na yung ano niya, yung passport niya. At saka at the same time, they will really do everything to make sure na magipit ka. Bakit ayaw ganyan? That's why we have three branches, the executive, the judiciary, and the legislative. Yan lahat. Wait lang. Yan lahat. Buisit lagi, mawala ko sa train of thought. Yan lahat na mga
masyadong seryoso din.
Yan lahat na
tayo tapos ganyan.
Yan lahat na mga branches. Yan lahat ng mga branches na yan, meron yang mga equal executive na mga privileges. Dapat they ano ba yun? Wala pa sa kwan mong buwak mo yun. They are co-equal branches of the government. May iba-ibang functions yan. May iba-ibang iba-ibang function na yan. For example,
power no?
Oh, exactly. Ngayon, ang nangyayari ngayon, executive. Meron na din siyang power doon over the legislative. At ngayon, may power na din over the judiciary. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Ang legislative, si Tambi. Si Tambi is obviously pinsan ni PBBM. Ang judiciary, we only have the judiciary left to toe the line. Pero bakit hindi kayo judiciary? Bakit hindi kayo nag-release? Wala pa ding decision doon sa mga i-final sa inyo pertaining sa nangyari dito kay Tatay Digong. Why? What's the delay? You should weigh in. Sabi nga doon, alam mo, may nakipag-usap kami dito ba, lawyer siya. Sabi niya, I felt so ashamed talaga na, you know what, parang na-meeting sila doon mga international lawyers. Tinanong siya doon as a lawyer, ano ba yung mo? Masasabi mo sa nangyari sa former president? He was so meek as alam. Hilom na lang talaga siya, guys. Bakit? Siya mismo, alam na mga lawyers yan na ang ginawa kay Tatay Digong, hindi talaga makatarungan. I am not even a lawyer. Pero in-explain kasi sa I wish I was given a chance na naging lawyer ako. Para talaga ako doon, mag-volunteer talaga ako doon. Kahit walang bayad.
Sir, bata ka pa.
Hindi na, tiguwang na kayo.
You don't have to be you don't have to be a lawyer to understand, the system.
Pero pag lawyer kasi may power din.
Masabagay, kasi hindi mo basta-basta din
kasi
i-arrest.
Pag magsabi ako, sabihin ako naman, why, are you a lawyer? Bakit?
I'm a dancer.
wala ka nang wala ka nang magawa. Kaya tayo, anong magagawa natin bilang ordinaryong Pilipino? Literal talaga mag-show lang tayo ng unwavering love and support. Kasi mag-petition ka. What's the weight of a petition? With respect to a pending case before the ICC. Tabi, tubaga daw na ninyo? Oo.
Pero sabi ni tatay, kaya ni Harry Roque.
Kaya ni Atty. Harry Roque. Kaya, oo nga. Alam ko si Atty. Harry Roque, sa sobrang talino niya, he is a threat sa mga lauloy at lalay. Totoo yan. Because he's so talino ba? Alam niya yung mga nangyayari doon mismo sa loob. He should know. He was part of the Congress. Ginuo ko. Huwag na nga tayo magpaipal-ipal dito. Yung mga ginagawa nyo is not so Byzantine for us not to understand. Tuog ko.
Tapos.
Ganda.
Kaya gigil sila kay attorney kasi hindi nila mahuli tapos lakas mangasar. Oo. Sabi niya,
kasi may alam kasi siya.
Pansin ko rin kay Senator Paplace. Oh, yan. Isa. I literally agree to the sentiment that you have written on Zorcaled. Napansin ko din na si Senator Bongo play safe siya, masyado kasama sa Senado, tapos si Senator B naman ay nasa edge na sana ng justice, umurong pa, biglang liko. Uy, that's your sentiment, but I agree.
Good.
However, Senator Amy, she has nothing to lose because number one, she's already a Marcos.
Pero ano masasabi mo, sir? Kasi ayon sa mga sources, sa mga vloggers, ngayon nanalo si Senator Amy kasi nga tungkol sa mga sinuportahan niya sa Tatay Digong, mga Duterte, kaya nakapasok siya sa pagka-senator ngayong midterm election. Ngayon, imbis ang asikasuhin niya, unang-una, pag-upo niya ay yung kaso ni Tatay Digong. Ngayon, ang narinig natin sa kanya is yung mayroon daw kumakausap sa kanya na para magiging Senate President siya.
Oh, yan. I already wrote something about that kasi sabi ko, it was excellent upon Senator Amy Marcos to lead the investigation leading to submitting whatever reports they have after that. Yun nga, ginamit na daw yun partially reference to the jurisdictional challenge na sinabit ni Attorney Kaufman. However, after that, Senator Amy, yun na lang yun. There's nothing more. Tapos ngayon, sinabi na nga ni ang ombudsman, pinatawag yung mga personalidad na explain ano bang nangyari, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, 'di ba? But yun na lang ba? Yun na lang yun? Are we jumping to another topic na because tapos na, paralo na? Yun na lang yun? I hope someday I will have the opportunity to ask it sa harapan mo mismo to really to express to you what seemed to be a national concern. Why is it a national concern? Kasi nga,
Daming pag-usapan.
oo nga, ang daming pag-usapan, hindi talaga matatapos. Di ba guys, totoo naman yung Uy, Jesus Christ! Totoo naman yung sinasabi ko, guys. Wala mang masama doon sa sinabi ko. I've only answered and also said about yung cake, uy, kainin mo ba yung cake? Oh, dito nga, oo. Chika in Holland, mangga kasi. Aha. Unsa na siya? Kulang? Bugas na siya?
Bugas lang.
Nya kanay mo liog, no sa? Baktoy.
Bastos kita. Suutan niya siya para.
Tinuod gyud imong prinsipyo, tinuod gyud ang imong mga gipangsulti pareho gyud kang kasi tanan na politiko tumatakbo kung sa kanila hingi ng tulong. Unsa?
Tabang isa siya.
Unsa? May nga ng tulong, Robin, sinisiraan. Exactly, tinuod yan. Totoo naman yan. Wala naman ako sinabing hindi totoo. Sa lahat ng sinasabi ko, guys, totoo lang yan based on observation. Hindi ako nagpatakata. Ito ba sinabi? O, tanaw mo. Alvin, saludo ko sa imong prinsipyo. Tinuod yun ang imong magipasulti. Parihag yun ni PRRD, PTI. Kasi tanan mo, politiko tumatak, pumuputang sa kanila hingi ng tulong. Totoo yan, Senator Robin, sinisiraan. Narinig ko kasi totoo yung kanina. Kaya, yung totoong totoo talaga. Ang sarap mo hilig ka gumamit ng totoo.
Nakailang totoo.
Kaya.
may problema ba tayo?
It was very strategic ang ginawa ni Attorney. I think that the right word is, it was very strategic ang ginawa ni Senator Amy. On the last minute. Di ba?
Pero dapat asikasuhin niya ngayon.
Dapat, it is your time to show to the world that a Senate, mga friend, to show to the world that a Senate, hello,
Mabuhay!
that a Senate President, kaya mo. I am really a person who wants to honor those who, like, you know, tayo naman sa mundo natin, it's a matter of, there's always a time for everything. There was a time when you were nobody, and there was, kinsa naman na mag-iingo ni Alvin. There was a time for being a nobody. There was a time when you became somebody. There is a time that you are going to become everything that a person thinks of, believe or whatnot. So maybe it is your time right now. It is your time right now to say, to show, to become the person na you supported the very person who created kung sino ka ngayon. Yun lang naman ang ano ko. Alam mo nyo, it is very Filipino to honor and give respect. Yun lang talaga. Wala naman kaming... That's why I feel very hurt na ang ginagawa doon kay Senator Robin is ganyan. To be honest lang. So, di pa ko kauli watching here in Finland. Come here. An ordinary Filipino magani really exert all of their energy, resources, or whatnot, just for them to be one with other Filipinos, to show to the whole world that this is history in the making. This is history in front of the very international community, various international community looking at us, sort of laughing at us right now for what seemed to be like, yeah, you eat, I'm not yet hungry pa, ikaw na lang sa eat ka. I am not specifically targeting someone, but if somebody felt alluded to, then perhaps it's time for you to wake up from the nightmare that you are having right now. Yun sa si Senator Robin, there's a lot of people right now yung talagang exerting wrong narrative, negatively talking about him or negatively whatever about him, making him appear that what he's doing is not really senator-like. What is really a senator-like then? Let's just go, may gabi sa inyong lahat. What is really then the problem? There's a lot of people who wanted to visit, but their circumstances, especially their socio-economic status, prohibits them to do what seemed to be a dream of everybody or a lot of people. But you have it with you. It's only a matter of deciding, but you even can't do it. Why? What is really prohibiting you from doing that? What is so pulling you back? Sa totoo lang, how can you do that? How can you show somebody and turn your back on them when you are mostly needed? Bakit? Grabe ka intrigita talaga itong mga tao. Why do you do that? Honestly, it's so sad. History is already in front of us. It's already there. It's just for us, for the taking. Are you either going left or right? If you go left, you turn your back on someone who really stood up for you, someone who defended you, someone who only wished you nothing but the best, who showed you to the entire nation, the Filipino people, that you're sort of capable. And now, that very person who molded you to the very fate that you have right now, you just turn your back, right? Why? Just to show up. Giseryoso gid ako kung istorya gagay. Honestly, JL, I felt very it's a betrayal, of what seemed to be a family. Honestly, I take it seriously. I take it very seriously. And this is my observation as an ordinary citizen. It is a betrayal of my love to a person. That person really sacrificed so much for us. But why can't you just just show up? Honestly, it's not even too much, just showing up, no?
Walang ganong pera eh.
Oh, kata pa yung their money is only literally gamay ra gyud. Just enough, but they gigapang nila to show their unwavering love and support. Just to be there, ha? Is this to saglit lang?
Luto ko kayo ng 5 hours.
Ano ba yan?
For you.
Papaitan ba yan? Alam mo, gusto ko
Yan. Oh,
Pati yung orange.
Ay, bakit? Masarap na. Yung muna, remind kasi ako parang siyang pek-pek ko.
Hala! Uy, naka-live ka. Uy, naka-live. Okay lang, vlog mo man to.
Nakita ka na pala.
Nakakita ka na pala ng Alvin.
Huy, ano na?
Nakatira na yan? Hindi mo nakatira ng ganito. May sinabi ko.
Ay, isugba na lang natin, Kim.
Yun nga sabi ko, sugba. Lami ang sugba.
Hindi siya makakain ng fresh.
Para mas masarap siya ba?
Sugba lang, oy. Sugba.
Di yan, pwede. Pero may ano tayo?
Uy, lami kaya isugba.
Oysters ba? May oysters ba? May oysters dito, di ba?
Eh, oysters. Ang ganda naman ng asawa ni Makabayan, na, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Pinakita, ni-reveal ko yung wife mo, ang dami nagmamayin sa iyo eh.
Ako si JL.
Patay. Uy, baka
Energetic na sa lahat.
over. Ito si Francis, oh. Di ba? Outfit na po
Titirahin ko
niya.
lang to, ha?
Francis, guys, oh. Kaya nga, ihahalik ko na lang kayo dito, ha?
Tingnan mo, oh. Wow, scallop na. Kasi nga ang ingay niya, Alvin.
Scallop pala yan?
Scallop
Yan
daw.
pala yung scallop pala. Akala ko ano siya, clam.
Ay, maliit lang yung clams.
Hindi kasi gusto kasi oyster.
Grabe.
Mahal yan. Oh my God, bracelet girl, say hi. They're looking for you. Hi. Lagyan nyo ng butter tsaka chives or just spring onions.
Kailangan mo siya i-grill.
Si Alvin kasi ang nag-comment. Naalala daw niya yung
Pero pagkakain ko niya, maramihan kasi nga, nakakaano din at tawag
kaka-allergy.
para maano ka, hindi rin, yung magsawa ka na agad. Maumay ka agad.
Ah, okay.
Diba? Kasi natin itong alat. Medyo matamis na
Ang ingay. Ito kasi si Alvin nag-comment ng gano'n yan. Naging ano tuloy ang comment section.
Kasi medyo matamis na siya eh.
Ikaw, Alvin ba? Tanawa ka, nag-comment kaging ana ang comment section na himo ng ano.
Alam niyo, ano?
Wala, puros na kuan. Iskalop daw.
Kasi baka may ibang food pa sila.
Uy, meron silang Hollywood.
Okay, change topic. Nagiging bastos na yung comment section.
Ano naman, ginunan?
Change topic tayo, change topic.
O, change topic tayo. At saka pa, end live na lang muna. Hindi pa ba?
Butangan ninyo butter. Sinundo pa daw po. Si Minchi, hindi ba na sabihan?
Kaya sinabi ko kay Kim, nagdaanan na sila kasi daw nandun sa Duterte Street.
Wala man si Aldo doon kanina. Hindi ba? Si Minchi ba? Wala din si Minchi kanina.
Uy, paani ano to eh.
Pwede si Menchi.
Wow.
Paani as Minchi?
Unsa te? Unsa man?
O, di inyos na siya.
Oo. Ganyan talaga mag-outfit si Francis. Kayo talaga.
Bakit daw?
Bakit daw naka-Amerikana ka? Ganyan yan si Grabe talaga yan, artista, uy.
Hindi niyo ako tanungin bakit nakapajama.
Hey, guys, bakit nagtatanong ko yung maganda yung asawa ni ako si Makabayan? Bakit? Guwapo naman si,
Marami nga nagmamain. Pinakita ko siya, oy, ito ang asawa ni Makabayan. Na kayong mag-mine-mine dyan. Sabi na, ay, maganda pala.
Akin na yan. Ako na una din, ha? Iba talaga yung mata ko, di ba? Sinabi kong gwapo. Alam mo yan.
Amin.